How to fix the issue if your iPhone is stuck on white screen. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix iPhone stuck on white screen. Well, to fix an iPhone displaying a white screen, you want to start with a forced restart. To do so, you want to first restart by pressing the volume up and down buttons quickly, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. So basically you want to hold your power button, and with that you want to simply press quickly the volume up and volume down button continuously. If that doesn't work, try updating your iOS through iTunes or Finder, or consider using a system repair tool like ReiBoot, ReiBoot. If the issue persists, it could be a hardware problem, and contacting Apple support or a professional repair service is recommended. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.